Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Overleaf project and choosing a sensible template or a blank project so you control structure. Once done, set the compiler in project settings, pick PDF LaTeX for basic reports or Z LaTeX for custom fonts. Make sure to upload your images and a bibliography file and rename the primary file to main. Text so Overleaf compiles predictably. Establish folders for sections and figures, now to avoid clutter as you add content and imports. You now focus on writing and structural commands. Start with \document class and load packages like geometry for margins and GraphicX for images and hyperef for links. Then split content into files and input them from main. Text so each section compiles independently. Once done, insert figures with \includegraphics and label them. For citations, choose BibTeX or by LaTeX with Biber and define keys consistently. Compile bibliography after the first LaTeX run so references appear. You finish by recompiling and reviewing the PDF visually, confirming equations, figures, and page breaks look right. Once done, inspect the compile log for warnings and fix undefined references by rerunning bibliography tools in the correct order. Make sure image paths are relative and packages are installed. Switch compiler if font issues appear. Finally, download the PDF or sync with GitHub. If compilation still fails, try commenting recent changes to isolate the error and rebuild step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.